Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, it's been very long time. I'm so sorry guys. Okay, so now I'm back. Finally, I'm back for good, I hope. So today I'm going to do the big chop. I'm going to trim my hair very low. I'm going to cut off the hair today. So my boyfriend is going to be helping me with that. So don't mind me, I'm just being dramatic here, okay? So I have been thinking about it to cut my hair, and it's really getting to be warm already. So this is the color that I want, this beautiful color. So so I'm going to be not just cutting it, I'm going to be dyeing it. So I'm dyeing it, I'm going to be bleaching it. Okay, first of all bleach it, then I will see how it goes. We see how it goes. Okay, so please, if you don't subscribe to my if you have not subscribed to my channel, please join the family, like and subscribe. Okay, so we can be doing this hair stuff. Okay, all right, thank you. Okay guys, so we already started already. So now the clipper we are using is very bad. It's not good. It's not for shaving hair. I think it's for shaving ears. I'm the one that bought it, so I don't know which one I supposed to buy. I just saw this one and I bought it. So it was really difficult for us to finish the hair. So as you can see, it's finished everything. I just asked him to just do the trimming only. So after I finished it, okay guys, I'm going to be bleaching my hair with this bleachy kit. So there everything you need inside, so I'm just going to use it, mix it together. So I don't really know how to do this stuff. I'm not a professional or anything. I've never dyed my hair like this. The last dye I used before, it was Hannah dye, so that was not really a dye. So so this one is I don't know, you're just going to mix it. I just use all the volume inks, just mix everything together. I have no idea what I'm doing, so we are going to trust the process here. Okay, so that's it, just mix it. Then now I'm going to apply it to my hair. So I'm just going to apply it all over, then I leave it for an hour. Put some wet cap, what is it called, shower cap, but I could not find my shower cap. I just used some nylon bag, so that one is still okay. So guys, so I could not reach the back, then I asked my boyfriend to help me with the back side. So that's it, and I'm just going to cover it with a nylon bag on the back. Some progress. This bitch out. Then we see. Okay guys, so I finished rinsing out the hair. So I'm going to show you guys the color that turned out to be. So this I kind of like it, though. I kind of like it, but this is not the color I really want. So I'm going to do another layer. I'm going to bleach it again, repeat the process and see. But I kind of like this one. So my boyfriend is just distracting. I'm going to do I'm going to take it throughout this week like this. I kind of like this color, so I just go to the barb salon and just do some trimming and some shaving, so I just use the hair for maybe 1 week, then maybe at the weekend I do another layer of bleaching. Then if it's not working, then I can look for the color I want. I will just go and buy the color. So we see. I just want to show you the results I got for this one today. So this is the results I got. So thank you so much. This is end of the drama. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, bye.